It hurts so bad. Oh, my stomach. Ugh, I can't breathe.
Yes, I need an ambulance right away. I'm having severe stomach pain.
Oh, my stomach. It hurts so much.
Good morning. Please sit down. Tell me, what's the problem? Do you have a fever or a headache too?
I don't know, it started this morning.
Let me check. Does it hurt when I press here?
Yes, right here. It's a sharp pain. I also feel dizzy and nauseous.
I see. It sounds like a stomach infection. I will prescribe some medicine.
Okay, doctor. How many times a day should I take them?
Take one pill every 8 hours after meals.
Thank you. I hope I feel better soon.
Rest well.
Vocabulary time. Sharp pain.
It's a sharp pain.
A sharp or stabbing pain means a very strong and sudden pain. Dizzy.
I also feel dizzy and nauseous.
Dizzy means feeling like everything is spinning and you might fall down. Prescribe.
I will prescribe some medicine.
Prescribe is when a doctor officially tells you which medicine to take. Under the weather. Here is a bonus native idiom. Under the weather. Native speakers use this all the time. It simply means feeling sick or not feeling well. For example, I can't go to work today. I feel a bit under the weather.